So this is an informative video about the Spore beginner automated mushroom fruiting blocks kit. Now that's a lot to say. Basically, if you are into growing your own mushrooms at home as a food source or otherwise medicinally, this is a great setup. It works very well. It has a humidifier that comes along with it. As you see, it has vent holes on this side. Those vent holes on the side can be covered with little vent cover filters that come along with the kit and can be ordered separately on the web page. You just saw the humidity control and the fan, and there is the actual humidifier. You can see the fan mounted on the bin there. Now we're going to come up to footage of my actual own kit where I had no problem setting this thing up. It was a very easy thing to set up and it worked rather well. I was surprised at how easy it came together, and I have had virtually no problems with it at all. Now what you're looking at are my shiitake mushrooms just 8 days after receiving the order. Yeah, 8 days. And if you're a beginner and you want to grow your own mushrooms, this is a really fun and easy way to start and just get going. The humidifier works rather well. The mushrooms are thriving, and I've had really virtually no issues. Now, when I did have a little bit of a problem with understanding something in the beginning when I ordered a different kind of bag set through Spore, I was like on their web page, there was just this little window that popped up on the side. And so I snapped into that and asked my question, and they said, "Would you like to speak with a real person?" I said, "Yes." A couple seconds later, someone was on there answering my question, and it was an amazing. They sent me links to my email of the directions that I needed and explained everything to me in a perfect way. It was very simple and straightforward. On the Spore webpage, they also have recipes for those mushrooms that you are growing, which is kind of handy and very nice to do. Now, I'm having a lot of fun with this kit. Now, I know this isn't the normal content that I have on this channel, but be expecting different content here on this channel. If it involves growing something, it may wind up on this channel because, after all, we are a cultivation nation. Now, if you haven't seen my last video, which is called The Legality Issue, I encourage you to check that out because that is part of my mission going forward. But back to the mushrooms. This is today. Now that first footage was from the day before. This is today. The mushrooms are getting very near harvest, and it looks like I am gonna have one delicious dish coming up soon, full of shiitake mushrooms. Now the blue oysters are really starting to pin up now, and so it's looking like good times.